In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to Shopify store. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place meta tags so platforms like Facebook and Pinterest can read them, and your storefront stays clean and optimized. First, head into your Shopify admin and open Online Store, then Themes. This takes you to the area that controls how your storefront looks and loads. Find your current theme at the top. To work directly with the theme's files, click the three dots, sometimes labeled More Actions, and choose Edit Code. This opens Shopify's built-in code editor, which is where we'll add your meta tags. In the left sidebar of the editor, locate the Layout folder and click Theme.Liquid. This is the master layout for your store, and it contains the head section of your pages, which is exactly where meta tags belong. Once the file opens, scroll until you see the head tag near the top. You're looking for the closing tag that reads, everything you add for meta tags should go just before that closing tag, so the browser and third-party platforms read them on every page. Place your cursor above and paste your meta tag code there. This could be open graph tags for social platforms like Facebook, a Pinterest verification tag, or charset and other metadata your tools require. Add a couple of blank lines above your pasted code to keep things readable for anyone who edits the theme later. Be careful not to duplicate tags you already have, such as a charset or viewport, and avoid pasting inside a script block or liquid logic. If you see liquid braces like $, or %%, keep your meta tags outside those unless you know exactly what they do. A tidy, clearly separated block of meta tags helps prevent conflicts and makes future updates faster. When you're happy with the placement, click Save in the top right corner. Saving applies your changes to the theme, and from this point, your meta tags will be part of the head section across your storefront. If you ever need to adjust or remove a tag later, return to the same spot in ThemeLiquid and edit the lines you added. Keeping a brief comment above your tags, like a note indicating what they're for, can also help with organization without changing how your site works. That's all there is to it. You've added meta tags to your Shopify store in the right place, kept your theme organized, and set yourself up for better integrations and sharing previews.